Hello social media enthusiasts. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to seamlessly connect your Instagram account to Facebook. Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just someone who likes to share moments, this integration will make your life easier. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Facebook app or visit the Facebook website. Step 2. Click Pages in the bottom right menu. Step 3. Select the Facebook page you want to link to your Instagram account. Step 4. Click Install in the page you selected in the bottom right menu. Step 5. Scroll down, find and click Linked Accounts. Step 6. Find the option to link your Instagram account. Select View. Step 7. Follow the prompts to connect your Instagram profile to your Facebook page.